Hello, everyone. Okay, welcome back to Sir English Language. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Well, we're really happy you're here today.
Today, we're going to help you speak English about your day. About your daily routine.
This is a very common topic. People often ask, right? How are you? How was your day? What do you do every day?
Many learners feel nervous. They think, I don't know enough words, or my grammar is not perfect, or even I speak too slowly.
And that's okay. Really, you're learning. You do not need perfect English.
Yes, exactly. You need simple English, clear English, everyday English.
Today, we'll give you 5 easy habits. These habits help you talk about your routine, your morning, your work or school, and your evening.
And, okay, we will practice together. I will ask you to speak, and you will repeat after me.
When you see this, please speak.
Great. All right, let's begin. Habit number 1. Use a very simple pattern.
Time,
Plus,
I,
plus,
verb,
plus,
rest of sentence.
time, plus I, plus verb, plus rest of sentence.
For example,
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Time helps your listener understand your story. Time makes your English clearer.
Also, time expressions are easy. You can use at 6 a.m.,
At noon,
in the morning,
in the afternoon,
in the evening.
at night.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Please repeat after Alex. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Please repeat after Maya. I have lunch at noon.
Please repeat after Alex. I go home in the evening.
Please repeat after Maya. Very good.
Now, let's make it real. Think about your morning. What time do you wake up?
Say, I wake up at. Please say the time.
Nice. One more. What time do you go to bed?
Say, I go to bed at. Please say the time. Great job.
Remember, short sentences are strong sentences.
Habit number 2. Use simple order words to tell your routine like a story.
These words are very helpful. First,
Then,
next,
after that,
later.
finally. Why does this work? Because your listener can follow your day step by step.
Even if your English is simple, your story feels organized.
Here is a short example. First, I get out of bed.
Then I go to the bathroom.
Next, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I make coffee.
Later, I get dressed.
Finally, I leave my house.
Notice, these are easy verbs, very common daily routine verbs.
Let's practice together. Repeat.
First, I get out of bed.
Please repeat after Alex.
Then, I go to the bathroom.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Next, I brush my teeth.
Pause for listener to repeat.
After that, I get dressed.
Good.
Now you try. Use first. Say one thing you do in the morning. Say, first I.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Great. Now use then.
Say, then I. Pause for listener to repeat.
Perfect. This habit helps you speak longer without stress. Habit number 3. Learn verb phrases, not only single words.
A verb phrase is like a ready sentence piece. It is easier to remember.
For daily routines, these phrases are very useful.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Go to the bathroom.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Make coffee. Make tea.
Check my phone.
Check my emails.
Get dressed.
Have breakfast.
Leave my house.
Go to work. Go to school.
Take the bus. Drive. Walk.
Arrive at work.
Start my tasks.
Have lunch.
Have a meeting.
Finish work.
Go home.
Relax.
Watch TV.
Read a book.
Make dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Spend time with my family.
Go for a walk.
Take a shower.
Go to bed.
That looks like a lot, but you do not need all of them today. Start with 8 to 10 phrases.
Why does this work? Because daily routine English is very repetitive. You do these actions again and again, so the English becomes natural.
Also, many people have similar routines, so you can use these phrases in real conversations.
Let's do a repeat and build practice. Repeat after me.
I wake up.
Pause for listener to repeat. I wake up at 7.
Pause for listener to repeat.
I wake up at 7 and I get out of bed.
Pause for listener to repeat.
I wake up at 7, I get out of bed, and I brush my teeth.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Great! Your sentence is getting longer, step by step.
Now you choose 2 phrases. Any 2.
Say, I blank and I blank.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Excellent. Habit number 4. Add small details to sound more natural.
You do not need difficult grammar. Just add small words like usually,
Always.
sometimes,
A little.
for a few minutes.
Because. Excellent. These words make your English feel real, like real life.
Example sentences.
I usually wear simple clothes.
Sometimes I look at social media for a few minutes.
I drink coffee because I feel tired.
I relax a little after work.
Why does this work? Because details help you speak longer, and details help your listener see your day.
Let's practice. Repeat.
I usually eat a simple breakfast.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Sometimes I check my phone.
Pause for listener to repeat.
I drink coffee because I like it.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Now you try. Choose one.
I usually,
Or,
sometimes
or,
blank because.
speak now.
Pause for listener to repeat.
Great.
Here is a helpful tip. If you don't know a big word, use a small word and explain.
Example. Instead of I decompress, say I relax. I sit down. I watch TV.
Simple is good.
Habit number 5 is the most important. Create one one-day script about your routine and repeat it.
This is like a daily practice. You listen, you speak, you repeat.
Why does repetition work? Because your brain learns patterns. Your mouth learns the rhythm. English becomes easier.
Also, your routine is the same most days, so this topic is perfect for repetition.
Here is a simple one-day script. Listen first, then you will repeat parts.
Slow.
Hi, my name is Alex. On weekdays, I wake up at 7 a.m.
First, I get out of bed, then I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Next, I make coffee. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone.
After that, I get dressed and I eat breakfast.
At 8 a.m., I leave my house. I go to work.
At noon, I have lunch. In the afternoon, I continue to work.
I finish work at 5 p.m. In the evening, I relax a little. I make dinner around 7 p.m.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Before bed, I take a shower and read a book.
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Now we will practice in small parts.
Repeat. On weekdays, I wake up at.
Pause for listener to repeat. Repeat. First I, then I. Pause for listener to repeat.
Repeat. At noon, I have lunch.
Pause for listener to repeat. Repeat. I finish work at. Pause for listener to repeat.
Repeat. I go to bed at.
Pause for listener to repeat. Very good.
Now, here is your challenge. Record yourself saying your one-day script. Just 30 seconds.
Tomorrow, say it again. Same script, same sentences.
After 1 week, you will speak faster. You will feel calmer.
Practice 1. Morning routine. Call and response.
Let's do a morning routine together. I will say a question, you answer.
What time do you wake up?
Pause for listener to repeat.
What do you do first?
Pause for listener to repeat. Do you drink coffee or tea? Pause for listener to repeat.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Pause for listener to repeat. Great!
Practice 2. Work or school routine.
Now, work or school.
How do you go to work or school? Do you take the bus, drive, or walk?
Pause for listener to repeat. What time do you arrive? Pause for listener to repeat.
What do you do at lunchtime?
Pause for listener to repeat. Nice!
Practice 3. Evening routine.
Now the evening. What do you do after work or school?
What time do you eat dinner?
What do you do before bed?
Excellent. This is real speaking practice.
Deep explanations and helpful mini lessons.
Mini lesson 1. I do versus I am doing. Simple explanation.
Many beginners ask, do I say I work or I am working?
Good question. For daily routines, we often use the simple form.
I work in an office.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast.
This means it is normal. It is your routine.
I am working means right now, at this moment.
Example.
Routine. I work at 9.
Right now. I am working now.
For today's lesson, you can mostly use the routine form, I plus verb.
Mini lesson 2. At times, in parts of the day.
One more easy tip.
Use at for clock times.
At 6 a.m.,
At 12 p.m.
at 10:30 p.m.,
Use in for parts of the day.
in the morning,
In the afternoon.
in the evening.
Practice.
I wake up at 7.
I study English in the evening.
Let's review our 5 habits.
Habit 1. Use time plus action.
Habit 2. Use order words first, then, next, after that.
Habit 3. Learn daily routine verb phrases.
Habit 4. Add small details, usually, sometimes, because.
Habit 5. Make a one-day script and repeat it every day.
You do not need perfect English to speak about your day.
You only need clear, simple sentences.
And remember, practice is not one big thing. Practice is small, every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please do one last speaking practice. Say one sentence about your day.
Say, every day I blank.
Wonderful. You are improving. Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye for now.